So guys, how to uninstall Windows Update. Okay, so click to start, type control panel, view by category, select category, then click to uninstall a program, view install update. You can select the full screen. Wait, it is showing the all update which is already installed your system. So like this, it is showing like this with date. Okay, so if you're getting after update you facing some issue related to your system, so you can install it like that and install the update last. Try to last. If getting only one, so wait for uninstalling. Okay, okay, so last, which is you can check the date. Okay, so it will same, so you can uninstall which is showing same date. With same date updates, you have to uninstall it. So it is uninstalled. Then you can restart your system. So remove LAN cable from your system, your laptop and desktop. If you connected with your Wi-Fi, so turn off Wi-Fi and then restart. If you do not, this doesn't connect to internet, so might be this is reinstall this update again. Okay, thank you.